Compress multiple images at once with Pixillion. Add your image files to Pixillion, then choose your preferred output format. Click the Compression Settings or Encoder Settings button at the bottom of the application. Adjust the compression settings in the dialog that opens. Click Save. Click Select All on the toolbar, and then click Convert to start processing your images. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to compress multiple images at once with Pixillion. To begin, import your image files into Pixillion. You can do this by clicking the Add Files button, or by simply dragging and dropping your images directly into the program window. Once your images are loaded, click Select All in the toolbar to select all images at once. If you prefer to compress specific images, hold down the Ctrl key and click on each image you'd like to select. Next, choose your desired output format for the images. Depending on the selected format, either Compression Settings or Encoder Settings will appear near the bottom of the application. It is recommended to select WebP as the output format since it offers superior compression compared to older formats like JPG or PNG. Choose Lossless Compression to retain image quality, though it will result in a larger file size compared to lossy WebP. This option is ideal for graphics and logos. Choose Lossy Compression to significantly reduce file size for faster web loading while maintaining acceptable quality. You can adjust the quality slider to find the right balance between quality and size. After selecting a compression option, click Save in the dialog. When you are ready, click Convert to start processing your images. Once the conversion is finished, click Open Output folder to easily access and view your compressed images. For more Pixillion tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.